name is Ebony Hattix. I'm the senior manager for the Memphis Grizzlies in the box office for operations. And one thing that I got from Ginger Johnson's wonderful and amazing motivational speech was the connectivity, and talking about just a smile, just a wave can change somebody's day and connect everybody in this entire world. So just the message of connectivity and how important those relationships are has made a world of difference. In my role as a ticketing manager, we are the first line that speaks to people, greet people, introduce them to our building. So in that line, being that person that speaks to someone, to smile at someone, to invite them in, that has been the most important thing.